Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Claid.ai subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website Claid.ai, and once you are on the official website provide your credentials and log in into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select account settings, and in that account section there is a option subscription and billing. You need to select this manage option in this area, and once you tap on manage subscription it will redirect you on new screen, and on new screen there is a plan option for cancellation, like cancel your plan. Okay, you can cancel your plan by using this way, and on this screen you can also see your details related to your account, related to your subscription and related to your card. Each and everything is available. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your Claude AI subscription. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.